Hey everybody, this is Jose. Once again reviewing this Tiki hut that was affected by Hurricane Milton. For this particular Tiki hut, the previous builder used cypress poles. That's a big no-no. Check out the pole, how it just snapped at the very base. It's pretty much run out. What could have prevented this particular collapse would have been to use pressure treated pine, something more durable and more resistant. The cypress acts like a sponge and just soaks up all the water possible off of the ground, retains it, and then after some time it starts to get rotten at the base. At times even mushrooms start growing on it due to the high humidity and moisture content. This particular project unfortunately needs to be demolished and rebuilt. If your Tiki hut needs any repair, modification, retouch, or needs to get rebuilt like this one, please contact us. We work statewide. We are licensed and insured. We work all over South Florida, all over the West Coast, the East Coast, Central and North Florida. Keep safe. Until next time.